Hi, my name is Han, and I'm going to show you how to make a delicious and healthy salad dressing. Now, salad dressings are a great way to dress up your vegetables or your salads, and the best salad dressing to make are the ones that are homemade. The key to making a tasty salad dressing, you have to include all the 5 flavor elements. That is salty, sweet, sour, bitter, and spicy. Here we have ingredients that represent those 5 flavors. First of all, salt. Salt represents the salty element, and you can substitute with soy sauce. Here we have honey, which represents the sweet element. You can use a pureed date, raisins, agave nectar. You can also use fruit. Here we have lemon and lemon zest. That represents the sour element of our salad dressing. You can also substitute with any type of vinegar you might have on hand. Here we have the bitter element to the salad dressing. We have fresh garlic here. You can also substitute with any other herb that has a bitter flavor, such as anise. Next is the final element to our salad dressing, and that is spicy. You can do black pepper or a little bit of hot sauce. Instead of oil, we're using nuts. Nuts are undervalued because they have healthy oils in them. These healthy oils are essential in metabolizing bad fats in your body. So we're going to use these in our salad dressing instead of refined oils. I'm adding some fresh herbs and also some green onions for extra flavor. You might want to use dried herbs if you don't have fresh ones on hand. Now let's start with our salad dressing here. Quite easy. You just add the ingredients into your blender, puree them, and you can store them in your refrigerator for up to 7 days. Since we're pureeing all these ingredients, you don't have to zest and grate this lemon. You can just peel the skin and put it inside the blender. You can use almonds or cashews for the salad dressing as well, but we're using walnuts because walnuts have omega-3s. The fresh herbs really add a bright, delicious flavor. And instead of black pepper, I'm going to add a little bit of hot sauce instead. About a 1/4 teaspoon. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of salt, which is about 4 pinches. I'm going to start off with a 1/2 cup of water. If your salad dressing gets a little thick, you can add a little bit more water to thin it out. I'm using a high-speed blender, but you can use a household blender. There you have it, a creamy, no oil dressing that you can use on top of salads or dipping your fresh vegetables in. Enjoy!